Hi, this is Graham here. Recently I bought myself a Rode Videomic shotgun recorder to fit on top of my Nikon 5300 DSLR, and I was frankly disappointed with the Videomic for the amount of hiss that it generates. It generates a great sound, it's a good microphone, but it generates also a tremendous amount of hiss. I thought I might say that I've made an interesting discovery about how to remove hiss from videos in Shotcut, which is something that's been asked a lot on the internet, and no one's really come up with a solution other than exporting video to Audacity and then using Audacity's noise removal filter to remove the background hiss. Now that works fine, but I was wondering if there's a better way of doing it, where you don't have to go through all that faff of exporting to Audacity. So here we are in Shotcut, and as you can see here I have a couple of clips. Let's go back to the beginning, and so one of the clips has a lot of hiss on it, and I'm actually going to play the clip for you now. Just listening for the hiss here. So when you listen to that, then you can hear the hiss. So how do you remove it? Well, so if I just click on this second clip here, now this is an identical copy of the first clip, except that I've added an audio filter to it. In Shotcut you go to filters by clicking on this filters tab here, and you press plus, add a filter, and then you go to audio filters and you choose the low pass filter, this audio filter here. Okay, so now we've chosen the low pass audio filter, and what I've done is I've got some presets for it which I'm now going to show you. Okay, so in the low pass filter then we have the cutoff frequency, which I've set to 1900 Hertz here. Okay, just by typing in 1900. The roll off rate I've set to 1, and I've set the dry wet to 57.4. okay, those are the settings which work for me with the low pass filter. So now I'm going to play you the second video clip with the low pass filter set to on with those settings, and you'll see that it reduces the hiss by quite a lot without too much disrupting the audio. Just listening for the hiss here. So that is how you use the low pass filter, and I think you probably can tweak the filter to your own requirements. You may have different cameras, microphones, requirements to me, but I think basically that is the best hope you have for actually removing background hiss. I think it's actually electronic hiss in Shotcut without going through all the palaver of exporting it to Audacity. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video and I hope it answers a few of your questions. Thanks a lot for listening.